Samsung will launch the Galaxy A57 and the Galaxy A37 in the first or the second week of February. Looks like the Galaxy A57 will have a very similar camera design to the Galaxy S26. Here's our first look at Samsung's upcoming Galaxy A57. It shows the Galaxy A57's design from all angles. It adds a layered detail around the camera area, making it look slightly different from the previous model. The smartphone will have dimensions of 161.5 by 76.8 by 6.9 mm, which will make it thinner than the upcoming Galaxy S26 and last year's Galaxy A56 model. The company may use frames made of metal, while the back panel would be made of glass for a premium look. May bring an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. The display is also likely to be slightly smaller, 6.6 inches versus 6.7 in the A56. The resolution is said to be 1080 by 2340 pixels. Super AMOLED Infinity-O HDR display with 120Hz refresh rate. The smartphone will be equipped with an octa-core processor with a frequency of 2.9 GHz, probably Exynos 1680, and will also receive 256 GB of storage and 8 or 12 GB of RAM. The phones will come preloaded with Android 16-based One UI 8.0 or possibly One UI 8.5 software. The Galaxy A57 will also get a camera upgrade, as confirmed by a new leak. The smartphone will use the new 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle and a 5-megapixel macro and a 12MP selfie camera. Galaxy A57 will have a 5000 mAh battery. It will support 45W charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.